Welcome to VK Sir YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss all about the introduction to the Python programming language. So today's topic, what is Python? Why should you learn Python? And that who developed the Python and where is Python used? So let's go for the first topic. That one is the what is Python? So Python is a programming language that allows us to talk to computer. Think that you are moving towards the another states. For example, at the Bangalore. So if you are moving towards the Bhubaneswar to Bangalore, so you need to know the English. At least you need to know the English because there, if you want to talk with someone else, at least you need to know the English. If you know the Hindi, so some of the person they also not familiar with that one. Similarly, if you want to communicate with the system, you need to know some of the programming language. Okay, so today I'm just explaining all about the Python. So there is also other programming language like C programming language, C++ programming language, Java programming language, lot of programming languages are there. So here Python is the one of them. So now next one is a what? It is a beginner friendly. Okay. So means what? Like Python is easy to learn syntax and extensive resources make it an excellent choice for beginners. So the syntax is quite very easy and it is simple. Like it is like very simple. And next point is what? It is an interpreted language. Interpreted language in the sense of what? So if you will just write the code will be what? It will be execute line by line. If we'll go for the C programming language, the C programming language is what? It will scan whole program and then it will what? It will show the output. But here Python will be execute line by line. Okay, it will execute line by line. So let I take an real-time example to understand what exactly or how exactly Python will be help us in the real time. So imagine you own a coffee shop. So instead of taking orders manually, you could write a Python program that takes customer order, calculate the total bill, and prints receipt automatically. For example, you can say that so manually you are just visiting the customer and you are writing all other orders, what are orders they are just giving to you. And then after that, you are just what? You are just creating, writing the manual bill and just providing to them. So instead of that, you can just write a Python program and you can just create automatical bill generator. Correct? So it will help to you. So now let's move towards the how exactly we will just write the code and so that it will automatically show you the total bill. Okay, so let's start the coding. So first one, so here we have to say that welcome to like our coffee shop. Let's assume I'm just writing like print um let welcome to Python coffee shop, then coffee price. Let assume the coffee price is what? Let 5 and then quantity is equal to 2 and we have to just execute it. Okay, good. Let calculate the total price. So whenever the customer, they will just put the quantity, then automatically it will calculate the price. So here you can just copy it, the paste here, and we have to just multiply it. So now the total quantity is 2. So now you can put the 2. Good. So now let's write the total amount. Okay. So the print your total bill is, you can say that Okay, so let me just end here. And now I can just put the total. Great. So let's execute this one. Now see, so here the coffee price is 5 rupees. Like you can say that per single coffee, the price is 5. So as you order that 2, so now it's billing what? 10. So automatically the bill will be generated. So now, so how exactly the Python is helping to us? Okay, so let's move towards the next one. Why should you learn Python? First one, easy to learn, high demand, and next one, automations. So easy to learn. Python is as simple as writing instructions in plain English. Just like learning to use a calculator is easier than doing a long method by our hand. Python makes coding simpler compared to other languages like C++, C, or Java. Second one, the high demand. High demand, Python is used by top companies like Google, Facebook, and Netflix. So have you noticed how Netflix recommends shows you might like? Python is behind that. It analyzes your watch history and suggests new movies based on your preference. And next one, the last is the automations. You can write Python script to automate the boring task. Imagine you receive 100 mails daily and need to reply to them individually. So it is a very hectic things. So instead of doing it manually, you can write a Python script that reads emails and send automatically responses. So learning Python opens exciting the career opportunity and make life easier. So let's go for the next one. That one is the who developed Python. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in 1989 and released in 1991. Imagine you are writing an essay, but finding that existing word processors are too complicated. So you decide to create a simpler, easier to use tool. So that's exactly what we did with Python. He wanted a programming language that was powerful but easy to read and write. So now next one is what are the applications of Python? So first one, web development. Python frameworks like Django and the Flash, powerful websites. Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube all use Python to handle millions of users every day. Data science and artificial intelligence. Python is used for analyzing data and building AI model. Have you ever used Google Maps? Python helps process locations, data, and suggests the fastest route based on real-time traffic. Game development. Python is used to create game. The popular game, Battlefield 2, was developed using Python for its artificial intelligence and the logic. Automation and chatbots. Python helps business automate tasks and provide better customer support. When you chat with customer service bots on website like Amazon, they often run on Python-based artificial intelligence model. Scientific computing. Python is used in research and space explorations. NASA uses Python to analyze space data and control robotic missions on Mars. Python is used everywhere from space exploration to social media, making it one of the most powerful and flexible programming languages. So that's it. So today we learn Python is easy and powerful, and it was created by the Guido van Rossum in 1991. And Python is used in web development and artificial intelligence, automations, gaming, and many more. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more Asm contents. Comment below, what do you want to build with Python? I had love to hear your ideas. See you in the next week. Once, happy codings.